2 weeks ago, I made a video on 3 key ingredients to success. So I want to add three more today, and these three things are something which I believe is very important as well in part of our success. And the last one being is something is a mindset. Last one is something related to mindset, and it will blow your mind the way it works. And I'm sure you guys already know about these things, but still I want to share my perception and how it has helped me. So hello everyone, Pranav here. Welcome back to my channel. Mera namaste आप सभी को. How are you guys doing today? I'm doing fantastic as always. So today I'm going to share with you three more key ingredients to success. And yeah, without wasting any time, let's get started with the video. The first one in the list today is being consistent. Like, be honest, guys. What are those things and the activity which you have started but not being consistent? Like, being consistent, I mean doing things regularly. There are things we start at like very enthusiastically and happily, as like we will do this, but after some point of time it becomes tough to carry forward. So what is that thing, guys? Let me tell you, if you're working towards passion and you say that you started it because you love this, then you are making a fool out of yourself. If you would have really loved the thing which you have started, then you will never think of stopping that. And why I'm saying this, because we start to do something because we find it intriguing or something very exciting, right? That is why we want or love to do those things. But still we stop. Why? So the answer is up to you about the why, and but I can share my thing which I have understood is, guys, be in love or be addicted to things which you love to do. Like, it's very important to be addicted. Take ruthless action. Go all in. Be passionate. Learn anything and everything about your work or anything and everything about your activity which you are doing, and go all in every single day and see the results coming your way. So that's the first thing for you. Take ruthless action consistently. So second one in the list is a person with the most energies win. Like, if you see that there is nothing called positive or negative. I know it's a part of LOA or law of attraction to be precise, but let me explain this to you. Like, have you ever been in a situation where you know the truth, but the person you're speaking to, and you have caught him or her already, but still the person wins and make a fool out of you? How does it happen? It doesn't happen because they are wrong. It doesn't happen because you are right and you know the truth, but still you choose to stay quiet. Why? It's because their energy was too high. They were not being that less confident about that they can do any mistake. They were so confident that they took over you even if you know the truth. So understand, guys, people with most energy win. Be vibrant, become more powerful, and your goal should be with whoever you are learning from. Like, the first point was in my previous video, that was uh, choose with whom you are learning from. Your coach, mentor. Your goal should be surpassing your coach and taking over, and then learn from someone who is higher than him or at a different level altogether. So that should be your goal. Understand this, guys. Understand. So yeah, that's the second thing. One with most energies win. So the last point is leaders create leaders and not followers. It's quite simple and understandable, right? And many of us have heard about this already. So don't be a manager. Don't try to manage things. Think that how you can involve other people and make sure that they get the right ingredients for their mind so that they can develop and grow into a leader, not a follower. Because every leader was once a good follower for sure, but not every follower is a leader, right? You have to find out that and make sure that everyone take charge and become a leader and having their own set of people leading. So yeah, this was the third point for you. Leaders create leader, not followers. So well, this is pretty much about the video, and this is what I wanted to share with you today, and I hope I was able to add value. So thank you so much for watching my video and tuning in today. If you guys feel I was able to add value, then do like this video, share it with your friends and family, and do let me know in the comment section where you guys are tuning from. It's amazing to know people globally. And of course, Like, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon button. And I'll see you next week again with a smashing video. Till then, मेरा नमस्ते आप सभी को.